Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to enable or disable the action camera outside of combat in Nioh 3. Right, let's begin by opening the system menu. From there, navigate to the basic game settings and swap to the second to last page. After that, simply find the action camera order. This setting controls whether the play action camera works outside of attacks, either dealt or received. Simply choose whether to leave this setting on or off. And after you make a choice to confirm your decision, press the back button. Press it once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.